talk about how can you add or change your photo profile on your Webull app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go down, you click here on menu down here. So when you just click here on menu, when you click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. Click here on settings. So then you come to next step here, click here on account and security here. You click here on personal information. Then you click here on photo here. You just click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then here can you select from your favorite, or here can you select photos from your album, and here can you take a photo. So that's all you have to do to change your photo profile. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.